Hello everyone, hope everyone is doing well. So I have already created this orders page in my previous videos. If you want to see them, you can go through my previous videos. I have already created a playlist for the responsive layout of this orders page using the CSS grid. So in this video, I will be creating the models, popovers and alert boxes. So first of all, for this hourglass I will be creating a model. Then for this ellipse I will be creating a popover, and for release button I will be creating an alert box. So in this video I will be starting from the model which will be creating in the button of my hourglass. So I will be uh, creating a click event over here for my model. So for creating model or for demonstration of any UI component of Ionic 5, we have a Ionic framework documentation, and over there all the UI components are listed like this, and you can scroll down, you will get all of them. I want model, so the model is here. So let's just see what is model. We can toggle between iOS and Android. So let's just see what is a model. A model is a dialog that appears on the top of app's content and must be dismissed by the app before interaction can resume. It is useful as select component when there are lots of options, choose from them. So we can dismiss them, we can customize them on, and according to our requirement we can customize the model. Here the usage is given, and the usage contains the code. Then it is available for Angular, JavaScript, React, Stencil and Vue. So I am using Vue, so I will be using the Vue framework usage. So here all the codes are written, and we can follow this to create our model. The scroll down, and you will get all the necessary information you require for the customization, all the properties, all the CSS properties, and the events that you can apply. Everything is available over here, so we can customize according to our requirement. So what I will do, I want a separate page for my model. So I will be creating, I want a background job model, so I will be creating a separate page for the background job model, and this model will I will be using in my orders page. So I will be copying this whole syntax. This is the basic template of any Ionic Vue project. Firstly, I will rename it from model to my background jobs. The name should be understandable so that we can easily bifurcate it from the rest of the thing. So it contains title, content, and also necessary import, props, and data and components. So I won't require the props and data. I won't go over there. I will keep it simple at right now. So apart from using the prop, I will use the title directly and give it a title of background jobs, because at the end it is a background job model and I want a title on the toolbar. Now how we will use over here, that also we will be getting in the documentation itself. So it has used a click event to call the uh, model in the button. So I will be using this at my hourglass, and then just copy and paste it. Now I will be importing that model inside my orders page, and the syntax for this is like this: import, then the name of the component that we have used there, and they are in the same folder, so this is the path for that. After this, I will be using this function inside my methods. So just go in the script tag, and after our components, I will be using the okay. So model controller I have forgot to import, so I will import it first. Then I will rename the component from model to background jobs, because I have provided the background jobs name over here, and I don't want CSS class and component props, so I will remove them from here. Save it. This is the event for presenting the model. So just go and save it. Okay, we are able to see the model. Now we will focus on dismissing it. Now it is dismissing by clicking anywhere at the page, but I want a specific close button to dismiss it. So I will go on my background job and will write the code for the close button over there. And also for dismissing, I will be using an event over there. So for this, I have to require an icon, so I will be importing the icon first. Now return the close icon. Save it, and I have to provide a slot to my button. So slots are provided in the parent container. So the parent container of icon is actually buttons, so I will be using the slot over there. Now I will be providing the dismiss function to my close button. So for this, I want a close model function, and I will be calling this function at the click of the button. So I will be writing it in the button. Then inside the close model, I want the model controller to be dismissed. So I will be using dismiss, and inside that I will be using the dismissed event. I will be declaring its role and will be setting its role to true. True is actually the promise. just save it, and we are getting the dismiss worked properly. We can customize the model according to our requirement. This is just the usage I have shown. You can write anywhere in the content whatever you want. I just want a list of active jobs, so I will be using IronList for creating a list of active jobs, and we'll use simply some job 1, job 2 or job 3 items over here. Give it name job 2, then job 3 or whatever you want according to your requirement. So in this way models are created in Ionic 5 with Vue. So this is just the usage of how to create model in Ionic 5. You can customize the model according to your requirement, and the whole process is given on the official Ionic documentation page. So you can just visit over here and you can all get the properties, CSS values and everything you want to customize your model. So thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you like this video.